I saw this as a really good solution for a linear motion project. Um, basically, basically you've got your two moving parts right there, and how it would work and lock in really solidly is you could have a wheel right there, right there, right there, right there, facing inward, so the axles would be right there, and right there, and right there, and right there, and the wheels would be laying, like the rotation would be, like for this one, it would be like going like that. So let me see here. So for example, the circular part of the keyring for that wheel, it would be like that. So it would be sitting right in there, and there would be a little gap, a little slit cut in that to fit the wheel through there, so that the wheel would be rubbing this face on all four sides, keeping it in there nice and stiff and guiding it. And there could be multiple wheels all throughout the length on all four sides, and the wheels could be the surface of the wheels could be some hard polyester or polyurethane, or potentially even steel or something, depending on the application. This is really heavy duty extruded aluminum. I think it's extruded aluminum. I'm pretty sure it is, but it's really heavy duty for this length of aluminum piece here. It weighs 15 pounds. I've weighed it on a scale, and it weighs 15 pounds. And for aluminum, if anybody knows what aluminum generally weighs, that's a pretty heavy duty piece of aluminum. It's got nice thick walls, and if it was used in a linear motion application, designed appropriately, it would be really rigid. So yeah, I really like that idea. So yeah, with wheels on all four sides of that facing inwards, that would really lock that in nice and securely, nice and solidly, and yeah, that would move really straight and true, and yeah, I really like it. Yeah, unfortunately, I'm going to be scrapping these pieces of aluminum because I need the cash, and I don't have the space or the time or the resources to use these parts in a linear motion application at the moment, such as a CNC machine. So yeah, I'm gonna scrap them, and I'm making this video recording right now because in the future, when I do have the resources and the time and all that and the space to put something like this to use and to implement this in a project, I want to remember the shape of the extrusion that I just want to remember this. I want to remember this this piece of aluminum, these two pieces of aluminum, and yeah, because I don't want, in the future, I don't want to be scrounging the internet trying to find that that profile of extrusion that is right here in front of me right now. So yeah, this is basically documenting a potentially really great extrusion. This came from the dividers of a office space. The dividers in cubicle dividers. Yeah. So there was an office that was getting rid of its cubicle dividers. I think the the office that the company that was operating in that office space, in that commercial space. I think that they shut down or moved or whatever, and so there was a bunch of stuff out in the dumpster, including the dividers, the cubicle dividers. So I just helped myself to the dividers and the aluminum, whatever I could grab. There was also a whole bunch of filing cabinets, like brand new filing cabinets, really smooth action on the drawers. So I yanked those and they became mine. And yeah, nobody seemed to care. At least nobody came after me. So, and there was cameras around, and I'm sure the cameras saw me. I waved to them a couple times, and yeah, nobody came after me. So they're mine now. All right, that's it for now.